Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to turn off Google Assistant option into your ZTE Blade V8 Lite. So first step, go into Google application, this one. Then here I've got our Google account, so click it and go into settings. Then choose Google Assistant option. And then need to scroll down and find general option, this one. And here need to click to turn off this option, so click it, confirm operation by clicking one more time, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.